Don't worry, little Luna. I'm here. Everything will be okay. Just rest now. Mom, Luna is crying again tonight. If Dad were here, he could help us. I know, sweetheart. I am here now. Try to get some rest now, Lucy. Dad still did not call us back. No, he still did not call. He left before Luna was even born. She knows love, and that still matters most. I know this hurts you very much. She does not even know who he is. Hi, Lucy. Good morning to you. You look tired again this morning, Lucy. The baby cried most of the night again. That must be very hard for you. Mum does everything alone at home.
Good morning, Lucy. Are you okay?
Good morning. I am trying my best. You are thinking about home again, right? I always think about home now.
Clara, the rent is late again this month.
Please give me a little more time.
I can wait a few more days, Clara.
Thank you. I truly appreciate that. Aunt Maya? You really came. I brought some food for all of you. You did not need to do that. Family always helps family when life gets hard. Dad should be helping too, not you. Why did he leave all of us? I know how you feel. He was scared, and he ran away. That is not a good reason at all. No, it really is not enough. Mom, are you getting sick now too? I am just tired. That is all. Oh no, Luna, what's wrong? It is okay, Luna. I am here. Lucy almost fell asleep at her desk. She really needs some help right now. Can I go home early today, please? Mom! You look really sick. Lucy, you are home already. You need a doctor right away. Mom is sick, and Luna will not stop crying. We are going to the clinic now. She is exhausted and very weak right now. Is my mom going to be okay? Yes, but she really needs rest. She never stops working at home.
She cannot carry this alone anymore.
She has been carrying everything alone.
Lucy, there is something I never told you. Your father called me last week.
Dad called you and not us?
He cared, but he was deeply ashamed. He wanted to know about the baby.
He cared about the baby, but not us?
That still is not enough for me. Maybe Luna is why he will come back.
I am sorry, Luna. I really am. I am sorry, Lucy. I am sorry, Clara. Hello? What happened over there?
Ben, Clara is sick right now.
What happened to Clara today?
She is exhausted. The baby needs her. And Lucy needs her too.
I wanted to come back when I had enough money.
They do not need money first. They need you.
I was such a coward all along.
He is coming back tonight. Do you really think he will come?
Yes, I really think he will.
Clara? Lucy?
It is him. He really came back.
I came back to all of you.
Why did you come back only now?
Because I saw. Because I saw what I was missing.
Ben? Is that really you there? You left us when we needed you most.
You do not get to come back like nothing happened.
I know. I know that now. You are right to feel that way.
She is your daughter. You missed everything.
She is so small. And so beautiful.
May I hold her? Just once, please.
Lucy, let him hold his daughter.
Do not drop her. Hold her carefully.
I am so sorry, little one.
She knows her father more than you think.
I cannot fix everything tonight, but I want to stay.
Then stay this time. Do not leave again.
I am here now. I will not run again.
The baby was the reason Dad came back, but maybe love will be the reason he stays.